Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today we have got the Hot Wheels 20 Dodge Charger Hellcat from the main lines of 2025. I think this is from the N case, if I'm not wrong. I found it hanging on the peg all alone. I don't know why nobody picked it. I loved it. So yeah, here we go. Let's review this. Before I unbox this, trigger warning, I tear open all my card, so just letting you know. Here's the card. I don't know if you can make it out or not, so there is a glittery effect in this paint. There is a shine to it. It may not be visible on the camera, but yeah, so there are metal flakes in this paint, which definitely enhances the beauty of this car. We have the Dodge written here, a nice design, nice graphic here, looks cool, I will say. Let's check out the front of the car. Okay, no details on the front, no tampos, nothing. Looks nice. Again, we have these lines here, and okay, here we have the SRT text. Hope you guys can see. No wiper details, nothing. Some minimal, I will say, dashboard details. That's it. On the top, we have the antenna here. Looks nice. And towards the back, okay, nothing here. And the rear end, right? So, okay. Place for a number plate. They have added that detail, but no tampos, nothing. That's all. Oh, okay. I can see two exhausts here, the rear exhaust. A nice touch for a main line. And the base here, yeah, this is plastic, not metal. They have some details, some axle details here. Looks nice for a mainline. I will not criticize it much. Yeah, overall a beautiful looking car, I will say. And the wheels, right? I like the design of the wheels in this case. It would have been better if it had a touch of white or silver maybe on the spokes. But anyway, I like the wheels here. Also, guys, remember there is a STH version of this car. Okay, of course, this mine is not, but yes, there is a STH version of this car. Keep an eye out for it. Let's do a quick roll test. Rolls smoothly enough, I will say. I have seen smoother Hot Wheels than this, but yeah, smooth enough. Okay guys, that's it from this video. See you guys on the next one.